How to reset the SMC on your Mac, quick step by step. First, check your Mac. If it has Apple Silicon, you do not reset the SMC. Restart your Mac instead. Step 1. Shut down your Mac and wait until the screen is completely dark. Step 2. For Mac notebooks, get ready to press modifier keys and the power button. Step 3. If your Mac has a T2 chip, use these keys: left control, left option, and right shift. Hold those 3 keys for 7 seconds before adding the power key. Now press and hold the power button while still holding those keys for another 7 seconds. Then release, wait a few seconds, and power on. Step 4. For older Intel MacBooks without T2, press left shift, left control, left option, and the power button together for 10 seconds. Step 5. For iMac, Mac Mini, or Mac Pro, shut down, unplug the power cord for 15 seconds, then plug it back in and wait 5 seconds before powering on. Power on your Mac normally. Your SMC has been reset. Allow a moment for the system to boot. If problems continue, try resetting NVRAM or contact Apple support. Always back up important data before deeper troubleshooting. That's it. Quick, minimal, and safe. Subscribe for more Mac tips.